Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a flight on Skyscanner. All right. Now, to be able to change a flight, which is already booked through Skyscanner, okay, you'll need to contact the airline or travel provider you booked with directly. Okay. Again, you'll have to contact them directly, as Skyscanner right here only acts as a search engine and doesn't handle bookings or changes themselves. Okay. So first up, you go ahead over to your profile right here at the top right. Just click on it, or on your phone, just tap on your profile and click on your bookings. Now in here, you'll be able to see all of your bookings. Now just tap on one which you would want to cancel. Okay. Then go ahead and find which airline it is. Okay. Now, for example, you have found the airline. It says maybe American Airlines or Philippine Airlines or maybe Air Asia. Okay. You'd need to look for their contact info. Now, how do we do that? For example, for American Airlines, just go ahead and open up your favorite browser, open up a new tab. Now go ahead and find American Airlines customer service, like so. Hit on enter right here. And as you can see at the very first search result, you'll be able to find their contact number. Just call this number and you're good to go. Make sure, okay, do take note that you only click on a link which is from the airline itself. Okay. Do not click on any other links or do not call any other number. Here, for example, American Airlines, I'm going to click on it. And here, as you can see, it is a legitimate website from American Airlines, aa.com. Scroll down and here you'll be able to find a number. Call them and let them know that you need to change your booking or flight. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.